I'm actually in a pretty good place right now. I'm striving. I've got a steady paycheck coming in, and I'm happy. And I'm driving a commercial bus. We do commercial trips, charter trips, private trips, different places. I just got back from New York, but I've been in hard times for the last couple of years. I was homeless at the homeless shelter for about 3 months. And I went to Goodwill, and I found out about the Job Help Center. Went in there and asked for help, and they helped me out. You gotta realize you need help, you need help. You have to ask for it. And you're not gonna get any help if you don't ask for it. I actually called the bus company because I knew the name, and I called them and I said, "You guys hired?" He was like, "Yeah, come on by, fill out the application." So I actually went by, got an application, and took it back to the job center and took my time at the job center in case I needed some help to fill it out. They hired me the day I went in there. And they have all the different facilities around that, different job centers that you can go to. I'm just thankful that I have a job, and I'm thankful that Goodwill is there to help.